What's going on, guys? And today we are working on a MacBook. This right here is the MacBook Pro A1990. So what we're doing for this one is just a simple battery replacement. Now, the concept is very easy. However, it does require a lot of grit. Pulling these batteries off these MacBooks require a lot of force and a lot of dedication. Let's start off with removing the back shell. Now that I got off all the screws, I am gonna need a razor blade. There it is. It's always right in front of me. This razor blade, I'm just gonna insert it right here. And then we'll use a blue pick. Has to be blue. Just pop it in right there. Just first one, second snap, right here, third, and then fourth, right there. Before I remove this, let's take a look and see if it actually turns on. I did not accept this repair. The staff did. Okay, so it does turn on without the battery. Screen looks okay. So we can tell computer is working, trackpad's working, keyboard seems to be working. Very good. Let's go ahead and shut this guy down. Now that we have it shut down, we're just gonna remove this back shell. Okay, just like that. And this behemoth is the battery replacement. So let's first start off by unplugging the battery. Before I actually unplug it, I am gonna jump a step here and add a lot of alcohol on this battery. This will loosen the adhesive underneath, which will make my life a lot easier when I'm prying off this battery. My battery is right there. I'm gonna lift up on this tab, pop off that latch, right there. To unplug the battery on this model, all we need to do is just remove that screw and lift up. I cannot just get over this customer that just hung up on me like this. Did you just hang up on me? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, did you hang up? What a bitch. That's so damn disrespectful. After you give somebody a quote or something and they just hang up on you. Remove this trackpad cable and we'll pop this off. It looks like on this model we're gonna have to lift up the motherboard just a little bit. Okay, so we've got alcohol underneath the battery. It's been there for about maybe a minute or so. I'm gonna start prying off this battery. And I'm just gonna cut the adhesive just like this. Now the right side, left side are okay. They're not that hard, but it's the center side for a few reasons. First, you wanna be careful with this trackpad cable. And second, underneath these batteries, there's holes that you can accidentally damage the trackpad with this tool. So we have to be very cautious and really take our time with it. Now this is the left side. Okay, good. See, right now I'm going in blindly, which I'm not a big fan of because I can damage the trackpad that way. I'm gonna try to go straight and not go down. Okay, good. Did I cause any damage underneath? Oh, I just see a piece of plastic here. Is this from the trackpad? Doesn't look like it. Why does this repair have to be so dangerous? See what I mean when I say this requires a lot of grit? Okay. Whew. That was probably the hardest part. Is removing the battery without damaging the trackpad. And I'm looking at the trackpad, it looks very good. With this battery, we can't just simply pick up and remove. This battery does lay underneath this bottom of the motherboard. So what we need to do here is unplug components from this bottom half of this board, remove some screws, and lift up the motherboard enough to allow this part to come out. Okay, the screws that hold down the bottom half of the board have been removed. The connectors have been disconnected. And now we can see if we can lift. We'll just get just a slight lift. Right there, just like that. And then we'll put one more on the left side. And now we need to remove these two screws on the battery. And these are very small screws. Easily strip it. We have the board lifted. Now we can start removing this part right here. Okay, this is why we had to lift the board, because this cable right here for the battery lifts or is underneath the motherboard. I'm gonna remove these plastic parts, drop the board back in place, and now we're gonna clean this guy right here. We wanna use a clean X-Acto blade, one that doesn't scratch, and now more grit work. This is how we're gonna clean this part right here. Just like that. Okay, now it's time to clean the adhesive.
Later.
Okay, we are officially done cleaning. Whew. This is the new battery right here. Over that. This battery goes right there. Okay, I think that is high enough. Let's see if we can insert. Yes. Ooh, first try, nice. Okay, let's firmly press, remove these. We do need to get the cable off the old battery, this cable. Now this battery is no longer needed. Let's plug in this battery here, or this cable. Let's remove this plastic. We'll plug back the trackpad. We're making some ribeyes in about an hour or so. This will probably be the last repair for the day. Cannot wait to make ribeyes. Man, I'm a big fan of steak. Sometimes that's all I can think about, just some steaks. How do you guys like your steaks? I like mine medium. Not bloody, not blue, whatever they call it. I like it red, or medium. Medium is perfect for me. My wife is pregnant now, so I'm doing like the forbidden move of cooking well-done steaks. Oh, it's been killing me. I can't cook well-done steaks for the life of me. My body just refuses. But for the sake of the child, we got our gender just today in an envelope. And my wife is hiding the envelope, of course. She wants to do a gender reveal, just her and I first. And then we can do one for the family. Which honestly, I'd rather just do it with the family all at once. But she wants it with just us. She's the one with the baby, I can't argue with that. Let's go ahead and do a semi-clean for the customer right here. So this dust doesn't come off if you just blow air. You need to break it up. So look at the difference between that dust and the bottom dust. Okay, so we are pretty much done here. New battery installed, we cleaned the fans for the customer. Let's close this back up and let's test. Let's insert that charger. Say Bismillah. Whew. That gave me a small heart attack. Took a while. What we want to test right now is the trackpad and see if it responds to our touch. It's responding. Very nice. Keyboard works. All is good. Let's unplug this battery or the computer and see if it stays on. It stays on. Replug it. See if it responds. It's responding to charge. So it looks like we got this repair done pretty nicely. Clean job. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, don't forget to like and drop a comment down below. Let us know if you guys enjoyed this or not. Let us know if you've ever had a battery replaced before in your MacBooks. Was it worth it in your opinion? It's a lot of work to do sometimes. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.